The best gaming PCs are the most powerful tool at your disposal for playing the most demanding games. Lasting through hordes of foes at rapid frame rates and high resolutions is fun, but you can just as easily use a gaming rig for graphic design, animation, or simply streaming movies and TV in 4K. Welcome everyone, today we are reviewing the best gaming PCs. If you want to find out the latest price or offers or any other information on the products featuring in the video, be sure to check out the links in description below. The Dell G5 is one of the best gaming PCs for folks who want a solid entry-level machine that's very easy to upgrade. This very affordable desktop starts with a modest Core i3 processor and NVIDIA GTX 1650 card, but can be outfitted with up to a Core i7 and RTX 2080 for intensive gaming. One of the G5's biggest selling points is its sleek, foolproof chassis, which is incredibly easy to open up should you want to swap out components over time. Dell's desktop are reliable for playing AAA games at 1080p and 60 frames per second, and like that the machine comes mostly free of bloatware. Overall, if you need a good, affordable desktop that you can make more powerful over time, the Dell G5 is a great choice. CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme offers great bang for buck value. With Intel Core i5 9400F and NVIDIA's GTX 1660, it is a great PC to rock the current generation of games, and do it all for well under the 4-figure mark. Even beyond that and branching into the increasingly large world of VR, this machine will get you there on a shoestring. It's VR ready right out of the box and will be easy to upgrade when newer, more fancy headsets become more available. The Xtreme is also great for anyone looking for a PC to match the capabilities of current-gen consoles, something that will bridge the gap between the PS4 and Xbox One games and the next console generation. And the Gamer Xtreme is also modular and upgradable enough to allow you to quickly adapt when specs for the next generation are announced. On that note, we'd recommend to get another 8GB of RAM into this upgrade-friendly rig as soon as you can. The Alienware Aurora R10 is a win for those looking at the red side of the CPU divide. The latest AMD Ryzen processors are exemplary in terms of both performance and price, and the Aurora Ryzen Edition machines have now been updated to use those N3-powered Ryzen 5K series chips. The 5900X chip from Ryzen 9 is a spectacular, not just for productivity, but for gaming too. With the potential for a 16-core and 32-thread chip inside your Alienware gaming PC, alongside NVIDIA RTX 3080, you're looking at something rather special. The different configurations start at a 6-core Ryzen 5 5600X, alongside a Radeon RX 5300. We'd recommend upgrading the graphics to your GeForce GTX 1660 Super, so that you can nail 1080p gaming in that sleek Alienware chassis. Like the other Aurora cases, it's not necessarily the easiest to upgrade, due to its bespoke design, but as a first machine, the R10 will not do you wrong. The MSI MEG Trident X is a top-of-the-line pre-built gaming desktop. The 10th Gen Intel Core CPU and options for an RTX 2080 Ti bring awesome gaming performance in a compact design. While the chassis isn't a standard design, the Trident X uses standardized parts, so you can still upgrade it and make it your own as you need newer components. The case all comes with 2 side panels, one aluminum, one tempered glass, for you to pick the kind of look you like best. This mix of power and space saving make it a great choice for most people who want an enthusiast-level PC, but don't want to build it themselves. The Alienware Aurora R11 is leading Alienware into the next generation of gaming, as well as 10th Gen Intel processors and the possibility of liquid-cooled graphics cards. It offers a variety of builds to suit most budgets. If you want to get into PC gaming for the first time or would like to upgrade your existing setup perhaps to soak up all the joyous ray tracing games, this is the most cost-effective way to do it. Ranging from affordable starter rigs to pimped-out super PCs, the Aurora R11 strikes a good balance of choice. Better still, these desktops can be easily opened and upgraded with different parts, as and when you see fit. Upgrading RAM or SSD would be no problem. Because the power supply unit swings out on a metal arm, you get more room to fiddle with the PC's insides. The R11's design builds on the already attractive R9, too. Although it sticks with the distinctive case and scooped-out front of its predecessor, this update enriches that formula with new lighting around the central strip and some cases. It's an addition that turns heads and makes the design feel even more futuristic than it did before. The best gaming PC right now is the Alienware Aurora R11, thanks to its sleek, stylish design, blistering gaming performance and painless upgradability. If you want to be able to swap in newer graphics cards over time, and don't want to deal with a bunch of screws and tools, the Aurora is for you. If you're looking for the best cheap gaming PC, the CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR is our top budget pick. One of our favorite entry-level options is the Dell G5, which starts at a reasonable price, has an attractive design, and, like its bigger Alienware brother, is fairly easy to upgrade. Thank you for sticking with us so far, and we hope you enjoyed this review of the best gaming PCs. Please feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time.